Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. And today is day 5 of the 30 days affiliate marketing challenge. And today we're going to talk about the essential points where people often fail on their path to financial success. And today it's all about 7 fatal beginner mistakes in affiliate marketing. Number 1 is not taking a coach or a mentor. This is one of the biggest mistakes everybody make, because without guidance it's impossible to not having a coach or a mentor. One of the biggest mistakes is trying to do it all alone without guidance. A good coach or a good mentor can provide direction or value knowledge. For me, that was one of the important things. When I started as an affiliate marketer, I started alone and I thought I can do this, and I don't need any guidance, any mentorship. After 6 months, I didn't make any money and I was feeling very sad. And that was the moment I thought, okay, maybe I should take a mentor. And the moment I take a good mentorship and they are going to guide me, I made my sale in only 3 weeks after that. So it is very important to take a mentor. Number 2 is underestimate of skills. Many beginners think that they can create a profitable business without additional skills. This is rare the case. Skills are crucial. Skill sets are very important. You have to invest in skills. And one of the biggest skills you need is email marketing, or what to post on your Facebook wall, how to write to your customers, how to chat, how to have a sales conversation. Those are all skill sets. I learned it from my mentor, but there are also paid courses to learn it. Number 3 is lack of proven sales systems. The lack of proven sales system, high converting sales and marketing system, is a stumbling block for many who try to build their own business. You need a good program to sell, and the program has to fit your needs and your avatar. If you're selling a weight loss product and your avatar wants to make money online, there's no fit. So nobody gonna buy your product if you don't fit with your list and your avatar. Another thing is, subscribe to my channel and don't miss the next video. Like this video and put the notifications on. Do you want to make money online and stop working for a boss? Click on the link below this video and watch the next video where I explain how you can do this, because I did it by myself. Number 4. Wrong products or service. Selling products or services that don't meet the market requires is a common misstep. It's the same like the other one. If you have a product that doesn't fit your avatar or your needs, it's not working. Underestimation the effort. Many underestimate the commitment and dedication required to an entrepreneur to success. You have to put your time in it. When you start as an online marketer, you have to work many hours a day. After a while, you can work less hours a day. When I started as a marketer online, I worked 6 or 7 hours a day. But now I only work 2 hours a day. And that's because my skill sets are improving. I learned a lot of stuff and I improve myself, and I learn every day. So you start with a lot of work to work less in a later stadium. Number 6, the lack of mindset work. Not working on your mindset can hinder your dreams. Developing a successful mindset requires continued effort. You have to work on your mindset every day. I work on my mindset every day. I do every day my affirmations. I do my meditations. And if I don't do it one day, I'm not so confident. So I have to do it every day, and I write down my dreams and my goals every week. Every week on Monday, I start with writing down my goals for that week. And every day I read my dream goal I have. I have one big goal, one big dream I want to accomplish. And I wrote that down on Post-its, and I put them everywhere in my house. I put them on the refrigerator, on the mirror. I put them in my car. So I think I read 10 times a day my biggest dream. And that gives me the mindset to do what I have to do to accomplish that one. So number 7 is very important. Employee money mindsets. Clinging to an employee mentality can hinder a company growth. And what I mean with that is, if you work for a boss or for a company, or you get your paycheck every month, even if you're sick or you don't have any, if you don't do your work, you get paid. If you have your own company and you're sick, you don't get any money. If you have your own company and you don't do the work that's necessary, you don't get the money. And I can go on and on. So lose the employee money mindset. That's very important. These are some of the pitfalls that affect the success rate in affiliate marketing. Learn more from these mistakes and adjust your strategy to increase your chances of success. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell of the notifications on so you don't miss the next video. I share more value about affiliate marketing. I am Jessica. See you next time. Bye.